Hi guys, I've revisited the list of the packages. Ctrl-Alt-I is going to launch the Kiro ISO Builder, or KIB. We've put it inside music, and let's update the new code is coming in. Found at home Erik music, Kiro ISO build scripts. What I wanted to test or to change is, again, users, right? Push me, give me information, give me ideas. And one of them said, I want to stop using a printer, cups, right? Now, Calamares actually has a hard-coded line in there. If you don't install cups, it will fail, right? Because it tries to enable it. So what I'm gonna do is make a minimal installation. This does not do a lot of harm. This one really doesn't. Okay, minimal XFCE then, right? And let's, for fun's sake, take another kernel from linux-lts board. And if you have issues with systems, maybe the LTS from there, or the normal linux-lts, right? Decide. Vice versa, linux-lts is the default one, and if by chance this might work, that would be great, right? Just depending on your hardware. So the thing is, this changed. I've added a firewall in here, so that means you can just say, I don't want a firewall on my ISO. I don't need an NICE CPP, right? I don't need this scheduler manager and all that. So this was all fixed and built in, carved in stone in Calamares. No longer, right? So we can say that one not, that one not, that one not. Can I say deselect all? Yes, we can. Boom, right? Anything from this list is not there. The question is, will I have around 4 GB? I know that, but how much, right? How much is left if we do this, and what will be the look if we do this? I don't want to lose the soul and the look and the feel, but yes, a lot of software is not there, particularly Claude Code if you don't want it, or the Kiro Assistant. It's all not going to be there. The tweak tool. Ooh, we need to add the tweak tool there as well. You don't want the tweak tool. You don't want the Archlinks logout. So if you really want to strip everything away, we should add even more of these guys. But let's revisit that idea later, right? Save and continue. LibreOffice, nothing extra, right? A minimal system. Start build. A pop-up, a password, and voila. Let's take a break and pause the video. And we're building our own ISO with some new things there, and see if Calamares lets it pass, because normally it shouldn't, right? Because it was obligatory, mandatory, that's the word. Obligated and mandatory is the word in Calamares. It's now false, so it should just pass. That's the test. All right, pausing. Time to test. So it's on the, well, you should see, right? How big is it? It's on this part of the machine, and ta-da, 4.1, right? 4.1 GB. Does it even look nice now? We stripped a lot of it away. So from 6 point, I don't know what, to this gives us music, Kiro out, this look. And let's see if Calamares just skips the things we're now missing, right? We're missing a few things that it wants to enable, like a firewall, like cups, like an NICE, like hardware, like 5 or 6 of them. Tuned, I think, as well. So anything that really was for for improving the performance, we're thrown out. Printing I get, right? Not everybody has a printer, like everybody's Bluetooth. These days, probably more and more. Still, that's still on board. It just doesn't show, no problem. Let's see, that is okay, that's okay. Now let's do a complicated thing. What is complicated? There's nothing complicated about it. It's just click away, the Calamares tweak tool. Let's take BTRFS and system deboot and sure, let's encrypt and apply and done. Calamares is now BTRFS and encrypted. The only thing is I always forget to type in my password because it's down here, right? You have to think about it. I tend to forget it. All right. Around here, we have to see if it is still installing. So let's pause the video again. There we are. We are at the end. That means no problem with throwing out cups and all the things we just deselected. What will be now our result? Key bindings will not work, right? If you launch Firefox and it's not there, right? Your choice. But it's just the Ctrl-Alt-F. So if you don't press the button, you don't have an issue, right? We need to know the password for the encryption. And let's take a little bit longer, a little bit more time, since the video is only 6 minutes. If you choose BTRFS, it doesn't make sense that you stop now, right? You need to either decide time shift, BTRFS, or an option in the ATT. So how does this look? The soul is okay, right? But alacrity is there, Linux tweak tool, ISO Builder, tweak tool, better lock screen, Kiro news, all normal, they should stay. I've decided that in the meantime. Right, quantum manager, that's the design. That's the soul, that's the look. Should stay. Who burns these days, right? But it's part of XFC4, XFC4 goodies, the same thing here. It's part of that. We use Nomax, but it's there, part of the package, right? Use it if you like it. All these things. We don't have internet, huh? We don't have internet. So click, choose your browser. Duh, nothing. And then we have multimedia. Right, no VLC, the default from XFC4 and XFC4 goodies. Voila, we have what we call a bare system. 4.1 gigabyte is not that bad. And oh yeah, I wanted to do something more. So the extra bit, DOF is not installed. So let's start with a U, right? Update your system. Database packages need to come in. Okay, now we can say sudo pacman -s DOF. Why DOF? Just to show you this, right? We're on BTRFS and Lux as well. It's just a choice. Clean is still working. Yes, and DOF again. BTRFS, VFAT, BTRFS. Okay, check. So, time shift is still installed. That's gone. There's no time. Then let's go for Linux tweak tool then. If you decide to format in BTRFS, then this comes. Otherwise, you don't see it, right? Your root file system is BTRFS with the Kiro subvolume layout already in place. These snapshot tools are not on the ISO. Install them here, then enable snapshots. We could have done that at the end in Calamares, but we don't want to push it onto you, right? You decide now if you're going to go for time shift or for snapper. So snapper creates and manages. Huh? All you have to do, really look at this, right? Click. And the other hand is on the enter. Click. 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 Done, right? Snapshots are not set up yet. Snapper not configured. Disable, blah, blah, blah. Enable. Enter. Everything green. Do I need to say anything more, right? How easy is that? So snap is the word to remember. Snapper. I guess we need to log in again. Let's do a browser. You'll see what happens. I hope you'll see, unless we need to reboot. Let's see. That sometimes is the case, right? The need to reboot. But no, not in this case. What do I see that you may have missed? This. Performing snapper pre-snapshot for the following configuration. Route 2. A little bit later. Route 3. Performing snapper post-snapshot for the following configuration. Now we reboot. It's the next day. I'm gonna install more stuff, update stuff. Things go wrong. I think we used LTS. Now we're gonna use CacheOS. Think so. Doesn't matter. So it's a kernel, right? Enter password. You have to do something. Let's do something totally wrong. Enter. Can people get in your machine? Let's do it 3 times, I think, or 2 times, and then it's gone. It's no go. Let's see again. Was it 2 or was it 3? 2, right? You get 2 trials and that's it, right? Control R, rebooting. So remember, Erik, yes, I will forget anyway. So 2 times you can enter your password. It needs to be correct. Otherwise it's a reboot for you. And then of course you can try infinitely. Make sure you don't lose the laptop, right? That's a safety. So we're back here. Let's see if the word snap is now in the menu. Snap, no, it isn't. So it was BTRFS. That's the word you need to remember. BTRFS. Snapper is there, right? But it's not in the menu. Snap. There is lots of snap things going on here, but it's not what we want. It's the BTRFS. BTRFS guy. This one. And that's where you can say and look around, but say, I want to go back. I want to restore. I want to have this one, right? We've created one in the beginning, Kiro baseline. And then came before you installed pre-installation of Firefox, post-installation of Firefox and Mailcap, so a dependency came in. I can still say, I want to go like this, right? And browse, restore, click restore, name for the saved backup. Are you sure you want to roam? Oh, yeah. That's in case you want to ever go back. Named for saved backup. I would say use a day, a year, a month, day, and maybe the time, right? I don't know if we can use this. So let's do that, the column, not sure. And then before Firefox, right? Something for me. The rest is for how old is this thing? So that's what we make as backup. Please reboot immediately. Yes. Okay, we reboot. No, that's not rebooting. We restart. Firefox should be gone, right? So that's a good test. Firefox is unfortunately gone, and that was the point, because it was crashing or some other reason. So that's fine. All right. Here is our line. And all the rest, you have to look on the developers from the app here. Some of the things are common sense and other things are maybe, right? Have a look around. Who created this? From who is this? And go read BTRFS Assistant. Pamac is not there, but Pacman is. Control T. Sudo Pacman -si. BTRFS Assistant. That's the guys. But I don't have a browser. It's on GitLab. All right. Enjoy Kiro, enjoy learning. You have even more flexibility. And to all those who say Kiro is way too big, right? 4.1. That's what you can achieve today. But there's no browser, there's no editor, there's nothing. It's up to you. Still looks good. We still have the default XFCE, what we did not check, and that's okay, because I know it's okay. But let's quickly move to the logout and take a look at this particular guy here. Oh yeah, oh my chat WM, I've deleted it. So no, we can't have a look. Enjoy. The keyboard is there and functioning. Yes, cool. So in neat, right? You just start typing here. Sorry, here. No, I know, sorry, wrong button. Clack, 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 clack. Don't say anything. Don't share my password to anybody. Et voila. Okay. Enjoy Kiro.